and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I made these lovely, simple but beautiful earrings, and I'd like to show you how I done it. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I got these charms from Wish, and I think they're so beautiful. I think you can get them other colours. I'm gonna look because I really like them. And I love the way that this is at the front, and as you know from the picture, this hangs at the back. Very easy and quick to make. So what you're gonna need, obviously, is some charms of your choice. You can use what charms you want, because you might not have these, so you can use other charms. So you'll need this stud post. It's got a hoop attached to it. Let me see if I can move it. Yeah, it's got like this, comes with this hoop that's attached to it. So you're going to need one with like the hoop there attached to it. And obviously you're going to need a butterfly as well. And you're going to need, as I said, the two beautiful charms. I wonder if we can get them in other colours. You're going to need a piece of chain to hang. And also you're going to need two jump rings. Two jump rings that open. And the tools that you're going to need is flush cutters. I've already cut the chain, so I won't be using that again. You're going to need round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flat nose pliers. I mean, you might not need these, but sometimes just to put them together. So all you need to do, first of all, is just to pick up the post, stud post, like that, and all simply going to do is attach the charm onto it. I've got pink at the front, so let me pick up the pink again, and it's got a nice loop already on it, so all you can do is attach it on. Just thread that on. Just going to close it and clamp it together. Just going to bring it together till it's closed. So it should look just like a little dangle. Then next you're going to pick up your little piece of chain and pick up one of the jump rings and simply thread it on the end of the jump ring. I hold my flat nose pliers, just clamp it on at the end, and then simply the last bit of chain, you're just going to slide it on. So make sure it's slid on like that, and then you're going to pick up your charm, the other charm, and then you're going to hook that on. Trying to just bring that together. Clap both sides. And just bring that together until it's completely closed. Right, that is completely closed. And then I like to secure it by just kind of pressing it with the flat nose pliers. Kind of flatten it so that the hoop is nice and secure and closed. So it should look like that. Then we're going to pick up the other jump ring. To pick that up and then open it. Right, that's nice and open. Then what we're going to do is hook the other side of the chain. Like that. And then we're going to hook it onto the butterfly. I'm going to pick up our butterfly, and then we're going to simply hook it on. Onto one of the holes here, like so, and then we're going to close it. push it in a bit, pick up my pliers and close it. Just bring it together like that. And then just kind of flatten it. Just tidy that up. Just make sure that this is nice and together. Nice and secure. Yes, it looks like it is. So now, all we've got to do is pick up the other piece. So all we have to do is just put this together like that. So there. Got a lovely pair of earrings. Where this would be going at the front of your ear. And then this would go at the back. So you'd have it hanging. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. Lovely, elegant pair of earrings for your evening out. Love it. So thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if you do, can you please press the notification bell so they'll let you know when I've made another video, because I try and make a video every week because I absolutely love making things, especially jewellery. And I'm also active on, if you want to follow me, I'll put my links down below. I'm more active on Instagram, but I've started being more active on TikTok because I'm kind of addicted to TikTok now, so I've started on there. I'm on Pinterest, not as much, and a bit of Twitter, but not as much. And I've also got an Etsy shop selling some lovely fashion jewellery. I've got so much more to make, and I'll put the link if you want to have a look through my shop. But thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. Bye for now. Any questions, any comments, please pop them down below. Love to hear from you. Bye for now.